line that did not get enough attention during the pandemic, it's definitely Beta-Calco. These guys are constantly elevating basic form factors into amazing luminaires. I know, everything I talk about, I'm always like, wow, it's the most amazing, it's the best, you gotta put it on your next job. But here's the thing, I represent hundreds, probably thousands of products, and I only talk about a select few. So if I'm bringing them here to this video platform, or if I'm bringing them into your office, it's because I believe in them. I'm not doing it because I have to. I'm doing it because I think they're valuable design tools. Beta-Calco falls in that category. I did my best in the pandemic to come into the shed and record Beta-Calco product in here, but there's nothing quite like actually seeing these products in person. When I show my designers, they are absolutely wow. It's not all that surprising. So whether we're talking about how they handle linear with their ooh and their with the ooh pendant, or something like rodeo, where they're adding accent lights to a common form factor, or something like their drum style triple, where it takes a drum style form factor, removes the glare, adds an accent light, gives you an uplight portion in a beautiful form factor, right? All of these things take your basic form factors and elevate them, right? So now they become architectural and they are performance luminaires. And though the pandemic was raging on and things were happening, this was not a factory that sat back on the products they already had. They're continuing to innovate. So whether we're talking about Starburst, their micro cylinders, or their stripes sconce, that sconce is a big hit. When I show that sconce, people really fall in love with it. It's a really beautiful indirect sconce that delivers a lot of light. But there's so many more form factors on the website. The website's easy to use. You can build out your part numbers right away, and they're easy to quote, easy to work with. So they are going to be at the SDA Showcase in October. So if you want to book a visit with me, you know how to find me, message me, and I'll come over with some samples and we can look at it. But this October, register for the SDA Showcase so you can see these products in person, and you too will be wowed by what Beta-Calco can do.